Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is a Gershion Polygel starter kit unboxing. I want to thank Gershion for sending this kit to me. If you're interested in getting this kit, I'll leave a link in my description box. Now to the unboxing. So I've removed everything out of this box, and in this kit you get a manual. This tells you how to use the polygel kit. And you get a thank you card. And then you get a polygel brush. And this is the brush. And then on the other side is the spatula. You also get a 100/180 grit file. You also get some slip solution. And then you get 3 different types of polygel. They're all 15 milliliters. This one is in purple. This one is in pink. And this one's in clear. You also get 8 milliliters of base coat and top coat. You also get dual forms and some powder. So this is everything you get in this kit. Stay tuned for a demo on how to use this kit. Now for the demo, I'll be applying the polygel onto some swatch sticks. I went ahead and put some slip solution in this little jar. And the first color I'm going to be using is purple. And then I'm going to be using their brush. So I'm going to go ahead and just go directly in. I'm going to grab a little bit of slip solution to wet my brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and start tapping it in. And normally you would put your base coat on first, cure that for 60 seconds, and then go in with the polygel. But since this is just a demo, I went ahead and went straight in with the polygel. So you just keep patting it in. It does get sticky, so you have to just wipe your brush. Grab some more slip solution and then pat it in again. This is a very pretty color. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the color. Look how pretty that is. So then you want to cure the polygel for 60 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and go with the pink, which is the next color. And again, squeeze that in the swatch stick. Wow, this one's bright. Very pretty. Grab some more sip solution. Pat that color in. Ooh, I like this one. This pink is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. So that is what the pink one looks like. Very nice. And then the last color is going to be clear. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that as well. Just so you could see what the clear one looks like. Pat that in. Very easy to work with. Definitely see that. It's definitely easy to work with. All right. So that is the clear one. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. So now I've cured all three. And then I'll go ahead and show you a close-up of the pink. It's very pretty. I really like this pink one. It's very opaque. And then the purple one. Very pretty on that one too. And then the clear. And with the clear one, I wanted to go ahead and use the powder that it came with. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm gonna grab a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it on the clear one. Some more. And then in case there's any extra loose powder, I'll go ahead and remove it. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some top coat on it to seal it in. And then I'll pop it in the light for 60 seconds. So now that the powder is now cured, I'll go ahead and give you a close-up. See how it looks. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know how I did and what other videos you would like me to create. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.